Imagine a world where your every online move was watched, your emails are intercepted, and your digital identity is stolen before you even sip your morning cup of coffee. No, it's not the latest sci-fi thriller. It's the reality of cybersecurity in the age of AI. Brace yourself, folks, because the bad guys have a new secret weapon, and it's about to turn the cybersecurity world upside down. Imagine a world where malicious AI assistants, like the nefarious WormGPT and the devious fraud GPT, are cooking up phishing attacks that would make even the most seasoned cybercriminals jealous. These AI baddies are whipping up personalized emails tailored to your interests and vulnerabilities, with a level of sophistication that would make your grandma's chain letter look like child's play. And that's just the tip of the iceberg. We're talking AI-powered malware that can learn and adapt, deepfakes that can make your CEO ask you to buy gift cards for a company event, and even content localization that makes these attacks feel like they're coming from your next door neighbor. Look, I know it sounds like something out of a sci-fi movie, but the numbers don't lie. According to a /Next report, we've seen a mind-blowing 1,200% increase in malicious phishing emails and a 967% increase in credential phishing since the end of 2022. And let's not forget about the AI as a service trend, which is making it easier than ever for even the most amateur cybercriminals to launch high-impact attacks. But fear not, my cyber-savvy friends, because just as AI can be used for nefarious purposes, it too can be our greatest ally in the fight against these digital delinquents. Imagine having your very own AI-powered cybersecurity assistant like HackerGPT, letting it work tirelessly to detect and neutralize threats before they even have a chance to wreak havoc. We're talking about automated pen testing, vulnerability scanning, and threat hunting, all powered by the latest in AI tech. Let's not get it twisted. You still need highly skilled cyber staff, but having AI tools that can parse and enumerate on vast quantities of event and sign-in logs is a game changer. It's like having a team of highly skilled cybersecurity experts working around the clock. But here's the kicker. As AI-powered attacks become more prevalent, I think we're going to start seeing cyber insurance providers insisting on AI-driven security solutions as part of your business tech stack. After all, they're in the business of mitigating risk. And what better way to do that than by fighting fire with fire? Now, I know what you're thinking. This all sounds great, but how do I actually protect my business in this brave new world of AI-powered cyber threats? Well, my friends, let me provide you 3 simple answers. 1, approach security training like a marketing campaign. You need buy-in from everyone, from the CEO to the interns. End users should view security as a business priority, and they need to feel comfortable reporting suspicious emails and security-related activities. 2, it needs to be easy to report and easy for the tech team to be alerted so they can take action and follow up. And 3, you need to look at investing in AI-driven security solutions. With AI at the helm parsing logs, it can detect and shut down anomalous behavior like an employee logging in from an unusual geographical location or downloading an unusual amount of company data. I know it sounds like I'm trying to sell you something, but I'm not. I'm just passionate about keeping businesses like yours safe in this rapidly evolving cyber landscape. Because at the end of the day, the cost of protecting your business is nothing compared to the potential damage that could be caused by a successful AI-powered attack. We're talking about lost data, compromised systems, reputation damage, and even potential legal liabilities that could cripple your operations. So my cyber-savvy friends, the choice is yours. You can bury your head in the sand and hope for the best, or you can embrace the power of AI and use it to fortify your defenses against the ever-evolving threat landscape. And who knows, maybe one day we'll be the ones using AI to prank the hackers, like sending them a deepfake video of their favorite celebrity, asking them to buy a lifetime supply of expired milk or something. But until then, stay vigilant, my cyber warriors. Hit like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Got a topic you want me to decode next? Drop me a hint. Until then, keep your data locked and your humor loaded. And as always, stay blessed.